Ka Sorkar MDA-II lingbao sembut Menteri Rangba kejelau beri Khmih Yakhatrat Urban Affairs ba snia balang daru laong makidang ap yakino yalam ka Harijan Panchayat Committee ban yakran sani lor kamat ban Pynkynriah yaki Briew na them Ïewmawlong ulong ba ka Sorkar ka bu ka thong ka baskem ban la ban pendam dok loy yakane kam ka blasa teng lajan kot Riusnem.
Development regarding Harijan issue na.
We are waiting for them. Actually, I already informed them. Let us have we'll call them once more. So some of their member is not already here out of station. So I think as soon as that we will in a very short time we will sit with the committee.
Likely this year you will be able to resolve these issues.
We are trying. This year itself.
But what are the hurdles now?
No hurdle now. We are yet to sit one more. I think maybe one more time will be the final result. Maybe I think.
What about the court cases?
No, that's a court case. Left to state government now. Court case. Please solve the problem. So we are on the job of solving the problem both sides between the government and the Harijan community.